Hello, everybody. My name is Markiplier, and welcome to Five Nights at Freddy's, an indie horror game that you guys suggested en masse, and I saw that Yamimash played it, and he said it was really, really good. So I'm very eager to see what is up. And that is a terrifying animatronic bear. Family Pizzeria looking for a security guard to work the night shift. 12 a.m. If I didn't want to stay the first night, why would I stay any more than... Why would I stay any more than 2? Hello. Okay. Hello? Hello? Oh, I can't move. That's a creepy skull. There's creepy things on the wall. Oh, hello.
Hello?
Hi!
Hello?
Hi!
I wanted to record a message for you to help you get settled in on your first night. I actually worked in that office before you, finishing up my last week after that, so I know it can be a bit overwhelming, but I'm trying to tell you there's nothing to worry about. It's fine. So let's just focus on getting you through your first.
Okay, sounds...
Let's see. First, there's an introductory greeting from the company that I'm supposed to read. It's kind of a legal thing, you know. Welcome to Freddy Fazbear's Pizza.
Okay.
A magical place where fantasy are not responsible for damage to property or person. Upon discovering that damage or death have occurred, a missing person report will be filed within 90 days or as soon as property and premises have been thoroughly cleaned and and the carpets have been replaced. Blah, blah, blah. Now, that might sound bad, I know.
Yeah.
But there's really nothing to worry about. The animatronic characters here do get a bit quirky at night, but do I blame them? No. If I were forced to sing those same stupid songs for 20 years and I never got a back, I'd probably be a bit irritable at night, too. So remember, these characters hold a special place in the hearts of children, so you need to show them a little respect.
Okay.
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 So just be aware, the characters do tend to wander a bit. Some kind of free roaming mode. Something about their servos locking up when they get turned off with the drum. They used to be allowed to walk around during the day, too. But then there was the bite of 87.
The bite?
Yeah.
What bite?
It's amazing that the human body can live without the frontal lobe.
Why?
Now, concerning your safety, the only real risk to you as a night watchman, if any, is the fact that these characters, if they happen to see you after hours, probably won't recognize you as a person. They'll most likely see you as a metal endoskeleton without its costume on. Now, since that's against the rules here at Freddy Fazbear's Pizza, they'll probably try to forcefully stuff you inside a Freddy Fazbear suit.
Oh, I get it.
Now, that wouldn't be so bad if the suits themselves weren't filled with cross-beam, wired, animatronic devices, especially around the facial area. So you can imagine how having to pay force inside one of those could cause a bit of discomfort. The only parts of it would likely be the line of damage. But hey,
they sought the help of a fairy godmother, who had them lock the young princess away in a tower, there to await the kiss of the handsome Prince Charming. It was he who would chance the perilous journey through blistering cold and scorching desert, traveling for many days and nights, risking life and limb to reach the Dragon's Keep. For he was the bravest and most handsome in all the land. And it was destined that his kiss would break the curse. He alone climbed to the highest room of the tallest tower to enter the princess's chambers, cross the room to her sleeping silhouette, pull back the gossamer curtains to find her.
What? Princess?
Fiona?
No!
Oh, thank heavens.
Where is she? She's on her honeymoon.
Honeymoon?
I really like this song. It sounds good. Mining away. I don't know what to mine. I'll mine this anyway. In this Minecraft day, so beautiful. Further down, what's that I found? Mine diamonds. Mine diamonds. I'll mine them. So far got too easy to mine. With my Minecraft pickaxe and shovels, hopefully they stay in my Minecraft chests. So I'm gonna make a lock on it. My diamonds, my diamonds. I'll mine them. So far I got 2. I'm alright. Not ready. All these diamonds sitting carefully away. I'm getting worried if they might get stole from my ender chest. Hey, who's that? Holy sheep, it's mine.